The stage is a set with a simple backdrop of a busy street with a now hiring sign on its door. Job hunting is a challenge that every job seeker faces. Some people are confident, some struggle, and others are somewhere in between. But no matter how difficult the journey is, perseverance is the key. Today, we will follow the journey and story of the three friends, Krisha, Nathan, and JR, who are searching for jobs. Each of them has different skills, different levels of confidence, and different struggles. Will they succeed? Let's find out. The job fair is full of opportunities, but only those who are prepared will succeed.
Finally, the time is over and I need to get a job as soon as possible. And there are a lot of questions maybe in during the interview process. What are those questions possible to be asked? Introduce yourself first. Okay.
Oh, there is a message. Another job offer opportunity. Nice. But I'm feeling nervous, but I need to grab this opportunity. But I know I can do my best to take this opportunity.
I need to find work, but where can I? But where can I start? I feel nervous. I feel lack of confidence.
Good day, dear applicants. My name is Ma'am Nicole. I will be your interviewer in this interview process. For those who will be called, please open your camera and microphone. And for those who are not, please remain turn off your camera and microphone. May I start with Miss Prisha Pangilinan?
Morning, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome to the interview. Can you start by telling a little bit about yourself and your educational background?
Okay. So, good morning, ma'am. Thank you for having me. I have recently graduated with a degree of Business Administration from Divine Word College of Calapan. My coursework focused on marketing, finance, and human resources. I am excited about the opportunity to apply my knowledge and skills in a real world settings.
Okay, that's great. What do you think are your greatest strengths and weaknesses?
I am confident in my ability to work well in a team and have developed strong communications and problem-solving skills. Through my coursework and internship, I am aware that I need to continue working on my leadership skills and I'm eager to take a new challenges and team from experienced professionals.
Excellent. Can you walk me through your experience with internships or part-time jobs?
I have completed two internships during my undergraduate studies, one in marketing and one in human resources. My responsibilities included conducting market research, creating social media content, and assist with recruitment and training programs. And also, um, I gain valuable experience working with the diverse teams and develop strong time management and organizational skills.
Great. How do you stay current with industry developments and trends?
I follow industry leaderships and news sources on a social media and subscribe to relevant online publication. And I am also an active participant in online forums and discussions related to my field. That's all.
Thank you, Miss Krisha Pangilinan. Now let's call Mr. Nathan Pacaonces. Please turn on your camera and microphone.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Nathan. Thanks for joining me today. How are you doing?
Hey, ma'am. I'm doing well. Thank you. I little nervous, but excited to be here.
Okay, it's completely understandable. So tell me about yourself and why you are interested in this position.
I'm Nathan, and I recently graduated from Ateneo with degree in public administration. I always been passionate about public administration and legal management, and this role really excited me, but it allowed me to apply my skills practically. I believe my experience and skills are good fit for this company.
Nathan, thank you for your time. You've made a strong impression. We will be in touch soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I appreciate your time and consideration.
Thank you. Okay, I think Mr. Nathan is a bit nervous, but let's see. How about Mr. JR? Can you up your camera and microphone?
Hello, good morning, ma'am. I
Morning.
will fix my camera first if it's okay.
Okay.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Mr. JR.
Okay.
Okay, can we start?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, so good morning once again, Mr. JR. Welcome to LSI Company. We appreciate your interest in the position.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for having me. I am very excited about this opportunity.
Okay, I can see that your resume is impressive. Could you tell me more about your previous work experience?
Of course, I was a project manager at JIY Solutions, where I led a team of developers. My team and I worked on several high-profile projects, and each project was completed on time. I believe that my leadership skills also and technical expertise make me a great fit for this role.
Okay, that sounds excellent. What do you think sets you apart from other candidates?
Of course, ma'am, I am highly adaptable, and of course, I thrive in fast-paced environments. I guess my ability to communicate effectively and collaborate with teams helps me delivering the results. Additionally, I think my problem skills allow me to handle challenges efficiently.
Okay, I appreciate your confidence and detailed responses. We will review your application and contact you soon.
Thank you, ma'am. I look forward to hearing it from you. Thank you. God bless you.
Okay. Thank you again, Mr. JR. Okay, so may I request everybody to please open their camera and microphone? Okay, so thank you for your interest in applying in different position here in LSI company. So the staff will send an email regarding the result of your application. Looking forward to work with you soon. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank you
ma'am.
everyone.
God bless.